IPSY unpackaging for you guys. I know I haven't been uploading too much with the IPSY unpackaging and showing you guys what I receive monthly in my IPSY bags, but in the process of moving, I put my IPSY bags on hold because I just didn't want my IPSY bags to go to an address that I no longer was living at. You can put all items on hold. If you don't want anything to be sent to you, or you want to take a break from receiving items from IPSY, you can actually put it on hold. So that's what I did until I got situated in my new home. If you haven't received IPSY bag before, I'll explain a little bit about what IPSY bag is before we get into the video. For those of you that already know, you know about all the IPSY packaging and stuff. From what I do know, there's 3 bags. There's IPSY bag, there's the IPSY GLAM bag, and then there's the IPSY GLAM bag Plus. I currently receive the IPSY bag because I don't always do my makeup a lot, so I feel like if you get IPSY bag Plus, you'll get bigger items in your monthly subscriptions. If you ever received your IPSY GLAM bag, it comes in a package like this, and then on the rear side, it basically will show you your postal information, your address, and all the other stuff. Most of the time, you might get some items that are too big to fit inside of your little IPSY bag, so they'll put it inside of this package. They'll put it inside of this, so that way you can get all 5 items. You receive 5 items every month, and you get to pick 1 item of your choice that they give you from a selection of items every month. So you get a chance to pick at least 1 item that you would prefer. There's options for you to add extra things inside of your glam bag for, I guess, like an extra $3 or $5. I'm not really sure, but I know most of them are like extra $3. I am tempted most of the time because some of the items that you can add on be amazing. Like, I be wanting to try it so much, but I just stick to what is given to me and I work with that. As the months go on, you start receiving items based on the quiz you take in the beginning of receiving IPSY bag. You pretty much take a quiz, and the quiz will question you about certain items that you use, what colors and swatches that you like to wear. I'm really more of a nude kind of girl. I love nude shades. I love neutral shades. I don't like too much that puts too much color to my face, so I'm really much like mellow. Like, I'm a simple girl. I really don't like too much makeup unless it's like, you know, I'm going somewhere, date night, or if I'm going to an event with a family or friend, then I will, you know, colorize my makeup. But other than that, I like to stay real neutral, and I feel like that's the safest way to go. This is the bag that I received in the mail. Isn't it cute? It's like a little collage on the bag. I have like a million IPSY bags. Like, I have makeup in all of my IPSY bags. I've pretty much gotten more makeup with IPSY than I would if I was to go to the store on my own. Some items that you receive in IPSY bag, they pretty much let you know, like, these items you're getting are really like a $50 value, $60 value, so you're pretty much getting a big deal with IPSY. When you open it up, sometimes it'll come with a little card like this. Sometimes the cards didn't let you know about the items. Sometimes it was just like, you know, giveaway cards or certain things like that. So sometimes you're not always going to get a IPSY bag with a card that's letting you know about the items. This is the June 2021 bag. So this is for the month of June. The one thing I love about IPSY is that inside of the paper that you receive, they really let you know about the items, the ingredients inside the items, different ways and different makeup tips that you can use to make your makeup look so much better. So for the first item that I received is this makeup brush. And yes, you do receive makeup brushes in these glam bags. It doesn't have to just be makeup. You get beauty products, you get hair products, you get makeup products, and you get utensils to apply makeup to your face. So that's one thing I love about IPSY. It doesn't just stick to one kind of product. So this is the Conceal set, and it says save room in your makeup bag with this dual-ended brush. It's made with high quality and cruelty-free bristles that blend and build concealer with ease. Bonus, you can use it to set under eye concealer too. This is pretty much a concealer brush, and it has a dual side, so it has a puffy side and it has a smaller side. At the bottom of explaining their products, they also have tiny tips to let you know other ways you can use the product. So the tip here is good news. This multitasker plays nice with powder and cream textures. So there's some brushes that only work good with powder products, and there's some brushes that work good with just cream products. So this brush actually works best with both products, cream and powder. If they didn't put that tip there, you wouldn't even know. So that's another reason why I love IPSY bag. The next item I received is this YC Collection blush. Is this blush or is this lipstick? This is actually a blush. I thought it was a freaking lipstick because it's packaged like a lipstick. Is it not? It's packaged just like a lipstick. It's packaged just like it. This is the YC Collection Liquid Blush in Papaya.
Papaya. I think I said that right.
Serious pigment meets serious hydration. This buildable, blendable liquid blush infuses cheeks with a pop of shimmery peach color. Plus it delivers long-lasting moisture thanks to vitamin E and plant oils. And one of the tips is use your fingers, a sponge, or a brush to tap this color onto your cheeks. One thing about makeup and doing your makeup, you don't always have to use brushes or sponges. You can get real dirty and use your hands. I really thought this was a lipstick. So the second thing is actually a lipstick. So I got it right this time. This is
Tanaïs. I think I pronounced that right.
If I pronounced that wrong, I'm so sorry. Tanaïs, I guess. So this is a lip oil. So it says, treat your lips to a long-lasting shine with this gorgeous gloss. It's infused with nourishing coconut oil and pomegranate seed oil to plump and hydrate. Plus a sheer shimmery red tint that you can build with each stroke. The more you put on, the more it's gonna become more red. The tip it has for this lip oil is wear this glossy oil on bare lips or over your favorite lip color for a hint of shine. You can actually put this over your favorite lip color to make it shine a little bit more. The next thing is the Innate hair. It says Innate Hair Care Collection Instant Hydrating Conditioner. So like I said, with IPSY bag, you're gonna receive products that's also for your hair, not just for your makeup and not just utensils. You're actually gonna receive products that you can use on your hair as well. This is a hydrating conditioner. I feel like this is actually, real good. Like, it's a good size. I have a lot of hair, so I'm gonna see how this works out. It says, gives your curls and coils the love they deserve with this ultra hydrating conditioner. It uses a combo of aloe vera, avocado oil, coconut oil, and sweet almond oil to soften and smooth, enhance your curl pattern, and make the tingling NBD.
What's NBD? Who knows what NBD is? I don't know. What does that mean?
Tip here is work through wet hair from roots to tips, then style as usual. As you can see, my hair is actually curly because sometimes I just don't want to deal with my hair, so I just wash and go. And my method for wash and go is I wash and condition my hair the regular way, and then I just take a wide tooth comb, put the products that I want to use in my hair, and I pretty much comb my hair. And for the most part, I feel like using less heat damages your hair a lot less. The more heat you put to your hair, the more you can damage your hair. So I pretty much just air dry my hair. My curls are actually from yesterday. These are not fresh curls. As you can see, it's a little poofy, but I actually did my hair yesterday. I didn't use this product, but I did use some curling products that I have. That's because I fell asleep and I forgot to wrap my hair, so we're not gonna talk about that. And the last product is the Purlisse Pineapple Bright Cleansing Gel. What it says here is, it's not every day you find the perfect cleanser for dull or lackluster skin. This sulfate-free wash gently removes buildup and grime, while Camu improves uneven texture and pineapple extract. It's loaded with vitamin C, helps brighten your skin tone. And the tip is massage into damp skin and then rinse with warm water. So you basically would just massage it into your skin. And when I do massage any face creams into my face, I take the tips of my fingers and I massage around my face. I try to focus a lot on the tops of my cheeks because that's where I break out the most, and you know, around my cheeks mostly. I hardly break out on my chin, I hardly break out on my forehead. It's mostly in the cheek area that I break out the most. And I would say to take at least 2 to 3 minutes massaging just so that the product can get inside your skin and start working better. One thing I like about it is that it says all skin types. One thing I want to explain to you guys is all of these are deluxe samples and they have the amount that it actually costs. So the cleansing gel is actually $18. The full version of this, like the bigger size, is $18. The hydrating conditioner is actually $10.99. The lip oil is actually $12. The blush is actually $12. This brush is marketed at $18. All of these products that you get are $12 a month, but in actuality, these products are really between 12, well, what is it here, $10.99, so between $12 and $18 these products are. Sometimes you're going to get an IPSY bag that comes with the products and different tips, but sometimes you're not, because I've received IPSY bags that just came with like giveaway cards. Sign into your IPSY account on the internet and look at your IPSY bag and click on all the items that you have, and they pretty much will have a description on what ingredients the products have and the tips. So you can always go on the internet and look if you haven't received a card in the mail. I should be receiving my July bag soon, and I know it took me a minute to show this bag, but I received this bag a little late. I don't know if it had to do with the mailing, but I received this a little late, and I was just like, let me just hurry up and get this, you know, video out the way before the July bag comes. I hope you guys get a chance to really check out IPSY because they're really good. Like all their products I have used multiple times, like face lotions, hair products, makeup products. Like some of them I use, you know, 24/7. One thing I use a lot when it comes to IPSY is primers, you know, and it's just amazing that I can get all the makeup that I want at an affordable price and not have to waste a whole bunch of money on products that really just be sitting around my home. These are pretty much all my products that I received for the month of June. Wait, my brush. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for all your support, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.